Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the ECV on a Hyundai Accent. First, gather your tools, including a wrench set, pliers, and a flathead screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work to prevent accidental shorts or injury. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, you'll need to locate the evaporative canister vent valve, or ECV. It's typically found near the charcoal canister, often under the vehicle or in the rear wheel well area. Once located, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab. Then, gently remove the two vacuum hoses attached to the valve, noting their original positions for reinstallation. Now it's time to remove the old ECV. Use a wrench to unbolt it from its mounting bracket. Once the old valve is free, carefully position the new ECV in place. Secure it firmly with the mounting bolts, ensuring a snug fit. Reconnect the two vacuum hoses to their correct ports on the new valve, making sure they are fully seated. For the final steps, reconnect the electrical connector to the new ECV, ensuring it clicks into place. Then, reattach the negative battery terminal to the battery. Start your Hyundai Accent and let it run for a few minutes. Check your dashboard for any check engine lights or error codes. If none appear, you've successfully replaced your ECV.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.